Looking to support multiple products, services, or user groups all from a single help desk? HappyFox Multi-Brand unifies external customer support and internal service desks into a single instance with customized support centers. The Customer Support Center offers a dedicated knowledge base, custom design, and tailored ticket forms for external customers. The Employee Support Center is restricted to staff, featuring a separate knowledge base, unique categories, and customized IT or HR forms. Multi-brand ensures each audience sees only relevant design and content, while routing all tickets to a centralized agent portal for easy tracking. Here is how to set up a new brand as an admin. From the menu, navigate to Manage and then to Multi-Brand. Click the plus button to add a new brand. For our demonstration, we'll create Beta, Internal Services Hub. Start by entering the brand's name. HappyFox will automatically suggest a URL based on your existing account. Add a brief description to let users know what this brand is about. Next, associate the relevant help desk categories that should be available in this support center. And just click Save. Once saved, the new brand is created and appears in the Brands section. To customize your new brand, go to the Brands section and click the 3 dots on its row. Here, under More Settings, you can find a few customization options. The new ticket layout allows you to customize the fields displayed in the new ticket form specifically for this brand's audience, like adding a reference number custom field. Application Personalization setting allows you to set a unique favicon for the brand's identity. Customize how outgoing emails are handled, including the option to use a specific SMTP server for this brand's unique sender identity. To customize the brand's look and feel, go to Support Center Settings. Use the Brand drop-down to select the new brand and apply unique designs, logos, color schemes, and layouts, ensuring its identity is distinct from your other brands. Multi-brand help desk scales your support with centralized management and custom portals, simply and efficiently.
If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.